Namaskaram, namaskaram. Yeah, now it's open for you. So should I make a comment on what Shibu said? Yeah, unfortunately, I think on April 1st when we met, I shared my experience of one of the so-called best schools in Delhi. All that what I speak is available on YouTube. You can look at most of my teachers training programs. I never mentioned it as an example. But I don't know what made me to, sometimes some intuition comes, So I made a mention that the teacher's response I measured earlier from the response which I got on my email. Generally, I don't demand that it has to be too much of interactive, but interaction was good. But some of when we talk to people, we know the way they respond, the way they take. It depends on culture of the people. It also depends on which part of Kerala you come from. I divide Kerala based on the areas. I can tell you which district he comes from. That's why sometimes I also ask where are you from and all that. So, and always it is understood the perceiver perceive the way the perceiver want to perceive and not the speaker want the perceiver to perceive. It's not that perceiver me accepts everything the way the speaker want me to perceive. It all depends on my background. But generally in Gulf schools, because I have been to most of the Gulf schools, when we make a presentation, last webinar also we had many school teachers, principals participated. At least we get some good response. When that response is not there, I had a question. Yeah, you need not be accepted by everybody. Frequency changes. So if there is some no requirement, why should I waste my time? That's only what I asked. So that's why I sent a message asking why should I have a second session, because continued second session may not be required if there are no requirements from teachers. We generally, when we share the number, otherwise as soon as I enter, today I did not change my number. You must have seen yesterday what I did was I put my number there. That correction itself why I am not doing today, because there is no point of sharing my number is of now. So it is not that link which I responded, Shibu has to give it to all the teachers. In most of the schools, if they have not seen the speaker before the session, after the session they would have had a curiosity to know, because I mentioned 2-3 places. These are all available in my YouTube. They would have gone and seen the YouTube. If they have just clicked on my YouTube, number of hits on the last post which I did, which was of Noble School, would have become at least 50. Because generally my YouTube subscribers, 50 people look at it the day. And 100 people extra, they will look at it by one day, by 24 hours. You can see all the YouTubes which I posted, Noble School had less than 50, but others have got 150 and more. So that means Noble School teachers did not even look at my YouTube. So that means they are good learners probably, but they did not accept my frequency. That's what I understand. So if they don't accept my frequency, why should I appear again? That was only what I was asking Shivu. But I was happy, at least, yesterday I got a recorded message from vice principal. That's it. So I thought that was one acceptance, so that's why I asked you share me the link. Otherwise, I had some other plan today.
No, actually, sir, I told you that it's totally happened from my side. It's a day before.
No, it is not from Shibu. It is the culture of the teachers which you have. That's only what I'm saying. Otherwise, they would have at least seen the YouTube, because to see this man, who is this fellow? And it is, after that you had a Friday, that means a holiday. Yesterday was also Saturday. I don't know whether it's a holiday or working day for teachers.
It's a working day. It was a working
Yeah,
day.
but at least one Friday was there, right? I wanted to tell you other day also, teachers are the most busiest people. There was some concept. I generally make a joke of asking, is teachers are more busier than the Prime Minister of a country or President of a country? I also worked with the Prime Minister of a country, very closely with him. So the time and busyness is all depends on the attitude people have. So what is lacking in most of the teachers, they think that they are too busy and they don't contribute much. That system has to change. It is only to make a positive measure. I also work with a lot of different people in different field. I'll tell you, when I go to last time I did not even show my books. I had all my books beside me. Always I keep my books beside me. Right? I did not show. But when I go to LIC, insurance company people, generally I used to carry 300 copies of my books. If there are 100 people attending, I carry 300 books. Every one of them will buy it those days when I used to sell. After my retirement, after when I became rich, I stopped doing all that. When there was money requirement, those time I used to charge people. I used to make money also after selling my books, selling my CDs. But that generally happens in the people like LIC because they have to sell the product. The teachers is a profession where you don't have to sell anything. Even if you don't do well, still you will get job and that is why probably teachers are paid less. But if you want to get paid more, if you want to grow in your life, you should market yourself in the better way. Learn as much as you can. Then I am 100% sure you will have. See, how do I remember? Now in Noble School, I may remember only 2 names, not more than that. But generally when a session, if I go to some class and then talk to 30 teachers will be in my brain. You ask me the teacher's name in neighboring of your schools in Doha, I will tell you the names of teachers. Because I have all of them continuously contacting me for last 1 year in contact. They attend other extra sessions. So that momentum was not seen. That's only. Probably they are waiting. Yeah, this man is coming again. Let me see after that. No. So I take it positive. Nothing wrong. Because it's an everyday activity for me. I do it every day. In and out. So it's nothing new. A perceiver perceives the way the perceiver want to perceive and not the way the speaker want the perceiver to perceive. That's it. Yeah, there are few questions. Yes. Generally, we get a lot of questions. That was not there. See, that's only worrying me. It is not that when you come in front and ask a question, people ask. That is actually pushing. That is the general attitude of students. But for me, it's not like that. When I go to my class, generally they send me a lot of questions. When I was teaching in engineering college, when I was teaching in universities, when I was teaching in mathematics, and I get lot of WhatsApp group and they add me into that and then ask me questions. So a lot of questions comes. So I am a teacher who want to feed somebody has got quest. If quest is not there, feeding is like pouring water, and that too, if it is a plastic tumbler, if I pour water, the tumbler will start tilting and then falling down. But if it is a strong vessel where I pour, it will become stable. So I believe whoever listens to me should have that strength. If they are not able to hold it, they don't want anything, they topple back, that shows, not acceptable. That's it. So I expected some questions, not that during session. That's why we share number, right? I think 3-4 teachers had sent me message. That was just to keep a contact. So that I have immediately sent answers. You try sending message, immediately I will send message. Yeah, now one teacher, Padma, has sent a message. I have given reply. Yeah, good enough. Yeah, if there are some questions, fine. That's what we started. I have nothing to share. You could ask me very specific to the syllabus, maths, physics, chemistry, maybe your subject, whichever I know. Probably I can tell you, take an example and then tell you that. See, for example, I have shared Tingle Tingle Little Star, London Bridge is falling down. I don't know how many KG teachers would have seen that and then said, yeah, it's very good, you have presented it well. It makes some satisfaction for the speaker. Because what I am doing is only for my passion. If I am charging Shibu and then he is paying me, I should charge now. Because I understood this doesn't worth. I'll give you an account number, you can send whatever money you want. Because people only will value it when you charge, right?
Sir, we are not enough to pay you. I know that one. See, personally, sir, I want to tell you, I don't know what happened to my dear teachers. I don't know. Personally, my dear teachers, I would like to share with you. I have not shared even the last meeting. I have personally attended his session, and it's not me. Along with me, another around 180 plus principals were there in his session. And still I can remember how all the people were grouping in front of him after the session, and we were waiting to have a one-to-one interaction with him after the session. It's not the school teachers, it's around 180 plus school principals from all over GCCs. When we had the session by him, the session was around 2+ hours. After the session, we were waiting to get our turn to have a personal interaction with him. And as sir mentioned, he is not doing this as a part of or with any commercial intention. And it's his life mission to serve what he has to the people, through the teachers, to the world, to the society. And I don't know what prompted or what was the reason behind the teachers for not having any further communication, because I know the mathematics teachers are having hundreds and hundreds of doubts with they used to ask why the children are not studying even after teaching all these things. They are not getting the basic concept. The same way, science teachers. So whatever you have with your real hand experience from the classroom, this is the right platform. You can share it off. So the experience what he is sharing will be benefiting all the teachers. Feel free. Of course, he is a resource person, and don't think that he is going to kidnap you or he is going to ask you or tarnish you for the question what you are asking. No. He will take the right sense and he will give the right answer, and I am sure it will be benefiting my teachers. Please come up. This is only my request to you people, my dear teachers.